The question most new farmers tend to ask themselves before venturing into pig farming is usually, is pig farming profitable business? To answer that, I will say yes and no. Stay tuned whilst we find the answer together. Hi, my name is Eric, a young farmer from Ghana. In today's video we are going to tackle the question, is pig farming profitable business? Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with family and friends. Let's get into the video proper. To find out if pig farming is profitable will generally depend on the breed of pigs you are raising and the length at which you are holding on to the pigs before marketing them. Pig farming profitability varies based on how and in what form you wish to market the pork you produce. In Ghana, depending on how you sell the pig's meat, you can make a net profit of 12 cedis per kilo from a mature pig. Various than selling pork, a pig farm can make money in other ways, raw, frozen or processed. Pig farmers can also profit by selling newborn pigs and pig dung, both of which are used for fertilizing. It is up to you to decide which of these items will be your primary source of income, however, you may usually generate money from both. Meat, on the other hand, is unquestionably the most important source of income, which is why we'll concentrate on it here. Feed makes up almost 3/4 of the total expense of growing a pig. Wheat, corn, soybeans, and barley are some of the most common grains. It's the most common pig food. When it comes to breeding them, their price will be vital. The cost of constructing a pig fence, a pigsty, or another type of shelter for the pigs is also significant. Each pig consumes approximately 100 kilograms of food during its lifetime. Pig farming in Ghana is highly profitable. It is an industry that is growing quickly. However, it can involve a huge startup cost when starting and can take time before the return on that investment. Once you start reaping your investments, the profit margins continues to grow immensely when managed correctly. Pigs require a sufficient amount of space. Smaller pigs will fit in a tighter space. Until they reach 45 kilograms, they will require a minimum of 4 to 24 square feet per pig. Pigs weighing more over 100 kilograms will require at least 9 square feet. However, if we have the opportunity, it is beneficial to provide additional space to pigs, which should result in improved animal growth and health. Raise your pigs away from communities but have a good road access in order to transport your pigs to the community. Pig farms tend to stink, thus they should be kept away from your neighbors' houses. However, if the farm smells terrible, even if they live a short distance away, neighbors can cause problems for the farm. It's critical to prepare ahead of time who will be your buyers when you start a pig farming business. It's a good idea to contact local restaurant cooks, and you may also sell at farmers markets and to individual clients. Market swine typically weigh between 90 kg and 130 kg at the time of sale. As we have already mentioned above, one of the best ways to maximize pig farming income is own meat processing. If you are blessed to have workers, you can delegate the task to your team and maximize your return on investment. You can sell directly to clients, restaurants, and shops, or at farmers markets. The following are the most profitable goods to make from your own pork: chops, roasts, bacon, sausages and ham. Breeding and selling little pigs is another appealing and effective approach to make money from pig farming. A sow has 2 litters per year on average. Each sow should be able to produce an average of 16 pigs. Newborn pigs have a high death rate of up to 30 to 40% in natural environments. Suffocation from being overlain by the sow is the most common cause of death for newborn piglets. Chilling, colostrum intake failure, diarrhea, and birth abnormalities are all common causes of death. Sows are more likely to give birth at night. That is why it is critical for a man to be present while the sow is giving birth. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos with family and friends. If you have a question, leave it in the comments section and I will respond in a video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.